Get ready to have your heart melted by the most adorable koalas ever. Welcome, everyone. Today, we have an incredibly special treat for you. We're diving deep into the world of one of the most adorable and iconic animals on the planet, the koala. From their fluffy ears to their sleepy demeanor, these little marsupials have captured hearts worldwide. So get ready for cutest koalas you'll ever see. Let's jump right in. Koalas are often seen as symbols of Australia, and it's no wonder why. Their charm is simply irresistible. But there's so much more to these cute creatures than meets the eye. Today we'll explore their behavior, habitat, diet, and conservation efforts to protect them. Koalas are arboreal marsupials, meaning they spend most of their lives in trees. Found primarily in eastern and southern Australia, these animals are well adapted to their eucalyptus forest homes. Koalas belong to the Phascolarctidae family and are the only living members of this group. Their scientific name, Phascolarctos cinereus, means ash-gray pouched bear, though they're not bears at all. Koalas are fascinating creatures. Despite their bear-like appearance, they're more closely related to wombats. Their evolutionary journey has equipped them with unique adaptations to survive in their specific environment. One of the most striking features of koalas is their paws. They have two opposable thumbs on each front paw, which help them grip branches securely. Their sharp claws are perfect for climbing and foraging. Another unique aspect of koalas is their highly specialized diet. Let's take a closer look at what koalas eat and how they digest their food. Eucalyptus leaves are the primary diet of koalas, but these leaves are tough, fibrous, and contain toxins that would be harmful to many other animals. So how do koalas manage to thrive on such a challenging diet? Koalas have a specially adapted digestive system. They possess a long cecum, which allows them to break down the tough fibers and detoxify the harmful compounds found in eucalyptus leaves. Their liver plays a crucial role in processing the toxins. Additionally, koalas are very selective feeders, often choosing only the most nutritious and tender leaves. An adult koala can eat about 500 grams of leaves per day. They spend around 4 to 6 hours feeding, and the rest of their time is mostly spent resting or sleeping, which brings us to our next topic, koala behavior. Koalas are known for their laid-back lifestyle. They can sleep up to 18 to 22 hours a day. This is because their diet requires a lot of energy to digest, and their low-calorie intake means they need to conserve energy. Koalas are nocturnal animals, which means they're most active during the night. During the day, they find a comfortable spot in the fork of a tree to sleep. While they might seem lazy, this behavior is a survival strategy. By conserving energy, they can make the most out of their nutrient-poor diet. Koalas are also solitary animals, each occupying a home range that overlaps with others. These ranges are marked by scent, and they use vocalizations to communicate and maintain their territories. Koalas have a range of vocalizations, from bellows and grunts to snorts and screams. These sounds help them communicate during the breeding season and when establishing territory. Now that we've learned about their behavior, let's delve into the koala's life cycle, from birth to adulthood. Koalas, like all marsupials, give birth to underdeveloped young called joeys. The life cycle of a koala is truly remarkable, and it all starts in the safety of their mother's pouch. Koalas give birth after a gestation period of about 35 days. The tiny, jelly bean-sized joey makes its way to the mother's pouch, where it will continue to develop for the next 6 months. During this time, the joey is entirely dependent on its mother for nourishment and protection. It feeds on her milk and gradually grows stronger and more developed. At around 6 months old, the joey starts to venture out of the pouch, riding on its mother's back and beginning to eat small amounts of eucalyptus leaves. By the time the joey is about a year old, it will become more independent, although it may stay close to its mother for a bit longer before fully establishing its own territory. The life cycle of a koala is a delicate and fascinating process. Next, let's look at the habitat and distribution of koalas across Australia. Koalas are native to Australia, and their habitat is intricately linked to eucalyptus forests. These forests provide them with both food and shelter. Koalas are found in a range of habitats, from coastal islands to inland forests. However, their distribution is not uniform across Australia. Factors like climate, food availability, and human impact play significant roles in where koalas can thrive. Koalas are most commonly found in the eastern and southern regions of Australia, particularly in Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, and South Australia. They require habitats with suitable eucalyptus species, as different types of eucalyptus trees vary in their palatability and nutritional content. Despite their widespread presence, koalas face numerous challenges that threaten their habitats and survival. Let's delve into these threats and what is being done to mitigate them. Koalas are facing significant threats that jeopardize their survival. Habitat destruction, climate change, disease, and human activities are some of the primary challenges. One of the biggest threats to koalas is habitat loss due to land clearing for agriculture, urban development, and infrastructure projects. This fragmentation of their habitat not only reduces the availability of food, but also isolates populations, making it difficult for them to find mates and leading to inbreeding. Koalas are also highly susceptible to climate change. Increased temperatures and changing rainfall patterns affect the quality and distribution of eucalyptus trees, directly impacting koalas' food sources and water intake. Disease is another significant threat. Chlamydia, a bacterial infection, is widespread among koala populations and can cause blindness, infertility, and even death. Stress and weakened immune systems due to habitat loss and other factors exacerbate the spread of this disease. Additionally, human activities such as road accidents and dog attacks pose direct threats to koalas. As urban areas expand, koalas often find themselves in close proximity to humans, leading to increased risks. Despite these challenges, there are numerous conservation efforts underway to protect koalas and their habitats. Let's explore some of these initiatives. Conservation organizations, researchers, and volunteers are working tirelessly to protect koalas and ensure their future. From habitat restoration to medical care, these efforts are making a significant difference. One of the key strategies is habitat restoration. Planting eucalyptus trees and creating wildlife corridors helps reconnect fragmented habitats, allowing koalas to move freely and find food and mates. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey to explore the world of koalas. From their unique adaptations and charming behaviors to the threats they face and the efforts to protect them, we hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for these adorable marsupials. Koalas are a symbol of Australia's natural beauty and resilience. It's up to all of us to ensure their survival and the preservation of their habitats. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to leave your questions and comments below. Together, we can make a difference for koalas and all wildlife. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of nature.